Hi there, it's finally summer and I'm inspired to cook up something a bit more adventurous. Together with Monte Kitchenomics, I'm making cheesy caldereta pie with Del Monte quick and easy caldereta sauce. In this dish, I'm combining two Pinoy favorites by stuffing caldereta inside a pie that's similar to the popular empanada. Preheat the pot, then we add some olive oil, white onions. I am just sweating it a little bit. Then we'll add the garlic. Add the carrots, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, then last, the olives. Now I add the beef. Adding 2 sachets of Del Monte quick and easy caldereta sauce because you get the right blend and taste of caldereta in the pack. Add a beef stock. Then I'm going to bring it to a boil. Okay, now it's boiling. You want all the liquid to evaporate. Pag nag-reduce siya, mas intense yung lasa. Then I'm gonna add salt, sugar, and pepper. Add melting cheese. Let it incorporate in the sauce. Now, we are going to add mozzarella cheese. I only used half of this because later, when I stuff the pie with the caldereta, I want to put 1 or 2 cubes of unmelted mozzarella. I'm going to turn it off and let it cool. So ito na yung ating caldereta, very well reduced, room temp. So I'm just going to transfer it here sa bowl. So then I am going to stuff this puff pastry with the caldereta mix. First off, I have here all-purpose flour. I'm just going to dust my hands. Lagay lang ako dito konti sa ating plate. Dito rin sa board natin. Let's start with 1 first. Give them a nice generous amount. And then 2 cubes of mozzarella cheese. Fold it in half, then seal. What I like about being a chef is the endless possibilities and discoveries I can have with food. And with summer being my favorite season, I feel extra inspired to try new things. So we have here 4 cups of vegetable oil. Make sure it's hot enough before you start frying. Flip it over. This looks fine. So I have here a rack para tutulo yung oil. Looks good. Nice golden brown color. Smells good. Ooh, can you hear that? The combination of the beef, the vegetables, ganda ng balance ng flavors. I really like it and it's so easy to make. Always have a taste for adventure, especially with food. You never know what will wow you next. Let Del Monte Kitchenomics inspire you to create something new. You can find this recipe here and watch here for other recipes I've created with Del Monte Kitchenomics. Thank you mga ka-kitch and happy cooking!